Sadaf. Why she has not been there? Because, apparently, you guys were the besties, like,
Yeah.
and that's what we saw even after Splitsvilla. But why is she not there? What's happening out there with you guys?
I think she's in Goa right now. She's in her house, her like literal house. A lot of things went down during finale, where I got to know that she didn't really support me and all that. There are little small things and everything, but the 99% that she's done nice to me, I can't just shoo it off. So, and I'm not this person who'd come out and call her out, tell her secrets, expose her, unfollow, bullshit. Like, no. We've had a very nice time together, taking some time.
Okay.
You take some time, I'll take some time. I know some or the other day we will, come to a point where we'll be crying together and missing each other. I do miss her a lot.
Wow.
Yeah, because after Splitsvilla also we were like literally Antapurki. Yeah, I know. If I don't know, that like that worm is there, which sticks together like snail times.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we were like that, and obviously in most of the things, like when I meet Zalak and all, I miss having Sadaf around. If she was mostly in Mumbai, would be meeting like outside in the events and all, but I'm just giving it some time because I'm also hurt for some certain reasons. She's also hurt from certain reasons. With how much ever you convince her, she knows for the fact that I was with Tain, and her being somebody who is very emotional and stuff, वो रहता ही है उसका. तो थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो जब भूल जाएगी सब कुछ, let's see how it works.
But we guys miss you together, actually.
Yeah, I miss her so much.
Yeah.
And I always said that no matter what goes down, I'll be the person who will come. I'm not the person who will go. I will say tata bye bye. There are 7+ billion people in this world where I can make friends and make new experiences and everything. But someone like Sadaf, I always thought if something goes down, if something is like we've not cleared out, or something that has affected her because of me, or I'm affected because of her, I will be the person who will go. ऐसे मैंने सोच के रखा है, but still it is against my conscious and ethics and my whatever I have done before. तो थोड़ा time मुझे चाहिए, but definitely I guess I will be the person who will go back or make things right, or we get back to who we were.
She's angry on you because you chose Tain for ticket to finale?
Not angry, it's mostly like some things that I've spoken during the weird ass date me and Tain had. After once we chose the ticket to finale, where they sent us to a date where we were in the same boat and they wanted us to connect before we go to finale.
Yes.
So the date was set up in the same place where Sadaf and Tain has already been on a date, which I wasn't aware of. And first of all, it was not a date. It was more like get to know each other before going to the finale kind of a situation. So she got to know, like, I told few things, so she was a little mad at what I have told in the date. Then I got to know that she's told few people that I have sat till morning and made sure that I support Gullu and Kaira and all of those things, which my only concern is that your hate for Tain was more than the love that you had for me. That is the question. You should have loved me more. Fuck him. It's okay, it's done, it's gone. You've moved on. So the love for me should have been more, and the only person who was laughing when we got like 4th place was her. So certain things have been there triggering me from the inside. I understand you don't like him to win, I totally understand. I'm also there, no? I'm also beside. If you were with Diptanshu and you were in the finale, I'd still be 100% happy for you.